It started with a hum no one could hear, a vibration deep beneath the silence of space. Astronomers called it gravitational noise, a meaningless ripple in the void. But then the pattern changed. The hum became rhythm. The rhythm became music. They built receivers to capture it, and soon the universe was singing. Each galaxy had its own tone, its own heartbeat of creation. But one frequency didn't match, a strange, low sound echoing from inside our own planet. When scientists isolated it, they realized it wasn't random. It was an asterisk voice. Asterisk, not words, but intention, the sound of gravity itself, calling, remembering. The more they listened, the stronger it grew. Mountains trembled, oceans vibrated, and then the world tilted ever so slightly, as if leaning toward something unseen. The hum stopped. Gravity normalized. But every compass on Earth now points asterisk inward. Asterisk, as if the planet is no longer falling around the sun, but falling toward itself.